So this is a new version of the Lenz East German V100 diesel. Has a lot of nice detail. You've got the etched grills on the top there. Got all these little lift rings for all the panels. Nice little grill at the front of the chimney there. It's got a solid die-cast base with plastic body and good high quality motor. Let's put the lights on this end. So function 0 is the front, function 1 is the rear, function 6 is the cab light. You've got a nicely detailed cab interior there with a driver figure. Also got sprung buffers, and you have the Lenz automatic couplings with the T-bar that also facilitates the loco going around tight radius curves, so they'll go around 3-foot radius curves and have automatic uncoupling. It's quite a pleasing livery, this white or cream roof. It's debatable how long it would stay that colour in service, but it's quite pretty in model form. Have a large centrally mounted motor driving all the axles. Let's pop the main sound on. So as with all the Lenz O-gauge locos, function 3 is the main sound. Got 23 functions in total. Try the tunnel volume. Yeah, it halves the volume, function 23 does. The model features a power pack, and it can also detect when it's close to the rails. So it actually hunts for power, and you'll see it moving along. If it comes completely off the rails, it will shut down. Oops. We've got the couplers. Oops, get the right end.